A Young diagram is an arrangement of boxes in rows and columns. So, Young diagram. Young diagram could look like this. We have some boxes. Arranged in rows and columns. The rows are left justified and the row length are non-increasing when we look at it top down, from top to bottom. Now a Young tableau is a filling of this Young diagram with numbers, and the numbers, they have to be increasing along columns, maybe like this, 1, 2, 4, 7, that would be nice, and they have to be non-decreasing in rows, so like 3, 3, and maybe 5. So now here we have to have something that's larger than the 3, for example a 4, and now here we could have another 4 if we like. Here we have to have something that's larger than this 4 here. Yeah. For example this 5, and here we could have another 5 or something larger, maybe another 7. So this is a Young tableau.